69 when you eat a junk lunch at the same time that you get your junk munched.
Hi, mini kids. I sure do hope you get some ass play.
I like big cocks and I cannot lie.
Do you think a nice cool minute'd help if I shoved your head up your ass?
Fuck me. Fucking. Oh, yeah.
Put it in my mouth.
She said put it in her mouth. Yeah, I mean her motherfucking mouth.
Hey everyone! Sorry if I'm a little spent. I did a whole lot of partying last night with a lot of different guys.
Shiny Vagina has a disposable douche?
No, that filth is better left to the Sin Cities, a.k.a. Minneapolis, St. Paul.